So with the workshop machine, we ran our lymphedema workshop and we had 22 people sign up and 17 actually show up on the day. We had 6 that signed up for a membership site and we had 7 people actually sign up and book evaluations. It was amazing. Yeah, with the $1,000 each patient value, so that's $13,000 with the workshop. Not a bad day's work. It sold itself, literally. I hadn't even thought about workshop before. I guess we did like a lesser version of it, just kind of lunch and learns or something like that. When it came up, I was like, that is a great idea. Like that workshop thing is gonna be good. I don't like public speaking at all, but for some reason I wasn't nervous at all with this. It was in my clinic talking about my specialty and it was the thing that I love to do. So I was very excited to do it. People enjoyed it more than I thought that they were going to enjoy it. The workshop machine really helped in reference to being able to line it all up as to the steps that I needed to do. So you weren't forgetting anything. It just made it easier for me to not have to think about all the things. I just would not have had the capacity and time to do it. I needed you guys. Believe in yourself and know that you are an expert in whatever you're talking about. You're the smartest person in the room. Don't be afraid to do it.